Hi, sunshines. Remember when we used to call them the sunshines? Welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy, and this is our development series where we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and across the world. Even though a long time I'm not telling you nothing about what go on across the world, but anyways, we meet here every Sunday at 11 a.m. and sometimes we have bonus videos within the week. This is a bonus video. If you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and share. Now let's get into it. I wonder what's happening here. Well, today I visited a few sites to see what changes have taken place. Right now, I'm on the way to the site in front of a Vistaprint to see the progress. On our last visit, we witnessed how fast they were going. I'm excited to see what changes have been made so far. This is the bridge by Westgate Shopping Center. I'm walking. And then after that, I'm going to stop by the National Bakery site to see their progress. And then I'm going to stop by the Racquet Club, Condominium and Spa. A couple of you have been requesting to see that site for a while now, so I'm finally going to do it. Ooh, I was so surprised by the progress that I kind of second guessed myself on whether or not this was actually the site. Them move fancy? I like that design on the building. Do you? Let's have a closer look. So, I'm not gonna talk about it. What do you think? Them move fast, not true? Man, just look at this mango tree laden with mango hanging out on the side of the road. Look. Since we are in this area, let's also check out the National Bakery site. Watch here, the gate closed. Okay, the last time I visited, I was able to see it from the other side. So let's walk around the other side and see what's going on at this side. Listen, my shots. I had to get somebody taller than me to try and capture some of the footage.
This side. Oh, video.
Yeah, video. Oh, I record here as well.
Let's walk a little further to see if we can get a better view. All right, so I'm seeing tractors. It looks like this is the foundation. Yeah. Steel work. Yeah, so there has been some progress since our last visit. This is moving a little bit slower. I'm not sure why. Okay, I was really considering stopping by Harbour City Shopping Mall to see the other stores that are now open, but as the taxi was driving past from the outside, I could see that a few more stores were open, and it even looked like Juicy Patties is now open. So good. I decided to leave that for another day and instead try and locate where the Montego Bay Racquet Club is located. Look, yes, I'm a Montegonian, but I'm also a homebody, so I've actually never been to a lot of places in Montego Bay. Yeah, that's the truth. So I've been asking around for a while, but couldn't get anyone who seemed to know exactly where it was located. I found a taxi driver who knew because it was on their way to Paradise Norwood, I think. It's actually not far, but the driver charged me $200 for the turn. So this is the Racquet Club. This is actually the first time I'm coming to this area. I've heard about the Racquet Club and Upper Deck. I remember some people were telling me that it's beside Upper Deck. Yeah. So I got some information about the Racquet Club. Jamaica's Tourism Minister, Honorable Edmund Bartlett, led the groundbreaking ceremony for this project in April of 2023. So this is the progress that they have made a few weeks short of a year. Would you say it's impressive? I would say it's impressive. That's a lot of work for like a year. Bartlett hailed the endeavor as the revival of the Racquet Club, emphasizing its rich history and appeal to modern travelers. The project, developed by Jamaican firm Borea Limited, encompasses 4 ventures totaling 8 billion Jamaican dollars. He enlightened the focus on social wellness, including tennis courts, a spa, fitness facilities, and a cafe, along with a sky lounge and rooftop pool. Bartlett stressed the importance of local involvement in tourism and announced plans for additional developments, including a 25-story complex in Montego Bay. So this was previously known as the Racquet Club Hotel, and during its prime, they had a lot of internationally known celebrities visiting the property. One such celebrity was Elizabeth Taylor. The article that I read mentioned a few others. Now, of course, I had to hop onto their site as well. They have a website, to see if I could get some additional information for you guys. So as was said before, the developers are Boreal Limited. The architect is Virtuoso. I'm not sure about the pronunciation, but this is the spelling. There will be 30 units, and for the floor plans, they said 4 residences plus penthouses. I'm not exactly sure what that means. The size ranges from 1,200 square feet to 3,600 square feet. Now, on their site, they also mentioned the following. So the Montego Bay Racquet Club Condominium and Spa is nestled within expansive grounds and safeguarded by round-the-clock security. It offers more than just a residence. It's a sanctuary for wellness and sports enthusiasts alike. Residents are treated to a world-class spa and racquet club, complete with cutting-edge facilities to rejuvenate both body and mind. And from this vantage point, you'll be able to have a panoramic view of Montego Bay's pristine beaches. Look here, the view nice. Because when I was walking back down, pretty, maybe a pretty. Look at my beautiful city. So you can see Harbor. You can see Harbor City Shopping Center. You can see Harmony Beach Park. I can see Bay West. I can see the fire station. Look at the water pretty. So that hill is steep bad. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Of course, if you leave requests for places that you want me to go to, I will try my very best to do that. Sometimes I'm not able to, but I will definitely try. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe. And see you in the next one. Bye.